this is Taj again. I've got a Mazda6 here. Just gonna show you how to get to the headlight bolt basically. Now I've replaced this side already. From here you can't get to the bulbs, same as that side as well. To do it, it's quite a simple procedure. All you got to do, you need a flat screwdriver. You got a couple of clips around here which you got to undo. And then you got one there as well, and then you got one on the inside here, one on the top here. Make sure your steering wheel is turned in so it's easier for you to do it. To pull these clips out, you can just do it by hand. And then you got the one on top, which is a bit of an awkward one because it's in an awkward position. That's done as well. There's no more. Push this plastic in. You can get the other bottom one out as well, but I'm just going to show you where the bulb is. As you can see right there, that's the bulb. It's the D11. Sorry, it's not the D11. My bad. I'm just going to get the bulb number again. It's the H11 bulb. One of these. To do it, all you do is twist that to your left, how you undo things, and then twist it the other way. Take the plug out, take the bulb out, put the new bulb in first, twist it to the right, and then plug it back in. Job done. If you wanted to do the inner one, which is quite awkward, but the outer one here, that's the indicator bulb right there. And the top one is the side light, so you can do them at the same time as well if you needed to. Just remember to make sure you put everything back together. Don't forget, and don't lose anything. That's it. Clip it back together. Job done. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Thank you. Goodbye.